Someone dropped a comment on my last PowerShell video and said, yet another reason to use open source. And I say, fair point. Modern PowerShell is open source. If you've been around for a bit, you're probably familiar with Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell, the blue window, the terminal that's built into every Windows client or server, was built on the old .NET framework, and that's very much a Windows system admin tool. The big shift happened when Microsoft rebuilt PowerShell on the .NET Core framework. .NET Core, once they did that, they renamed it PowerShell Core, and all of that development work has happened out in the open. It's open source today. Now we're familiar with it as version 7. It started on version 6, but you can see it on their GitHub repository today, and all of the development work, the issues, the enhancements, everything, it's all out in the open. Because it's built on .NET Core, believe it or not, it actually runs on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows today. And I mainly use it for hitting Graph API and stuff in Microsoft 365, but you can use it for things today. It's more for me personally, I still use it on Windows. Now, if you're learning PowerShell today, it's going to depend on what you're doing with it. If you're mainly hitting like Microsoft 365 or doing things in the cloud world, I would be using PowerShell 7 because PowerShell 7 has a lot of quality of life improvements. For each object, for example, has a parallel switch. And there's so many cool things that they've done in PowerShell 7. So yeah, fun fact, PowerShell 7, open source today. You can look at the code, you can compile it, you can submit bug fixes, you can contribute to it. It's all open and that's pretty cool. So thanks for the comment.